Abraham, you're too high.
Hey, what are you doing? You hugging him?
Dancing with that? Is that your teddy bear tonight? You gonna with that bag tonight?
I'm up here.
Be aggressive, guys. Hit these bags. Ready, down, set, hit one, hit two, hit three. There you go. Nice, Keel. That's the way you make a tackle. Make a tackle at the legs. Blue. 24, 13. Hut, hut, hut. Nice, Smith. We're trying to keep on your feet, though. Are we having fun? Everybody still love football? Because I am loving it. Nice.
That was unexpected. Yeah.
Move up a little. You're back. Abraham. Oh, see where the ball is? If you can see it parallel, you're offside. Right? You got to back up a little bit. See where the ball is? There you go. Remember, you want to see the ball in front of you. You don't want to see the ball behind you. I mean, it's next to you. We'll move up a little bit.
If I move up, we'll be outside.
No, you won't. Sit down.
Look over.
See? Are you offside now? Nope. You're right on the ball.
Don't stand up. Don't stand up.
Stay low, guys, on these drives. Stay low on these drives.
The outsides.
Ready, down, set, hit one, hit two,
Orange.
rainbow. Wrap those arms all the way around, Jensen. Wrap them all the way around. We cannot do half tackles, guys. Half tackles are like this. Full tackles is wrap it all the way around.
No dings yet.
Ready, down. You're offsides.
I felt though.
Wrap those arms. Good, good. Ready, down, set, hit one. Nice. Come on, pump those feet, guys. Good, good, good. There you go. See how you can see the ball, but you're not over the ball. That's how you're supposed to see the ball. Blue, 24. Scott.
Guys, is everyone switching lines?
You can if you want. If you don't, that's fine. As long as you get a lot of work here, guys. Blue, 24. Yellow. Keep that head up. Who is that? Who is that? Keep that head up, though. Back up a little bit louder. You're offside. Look for the ball. Straighten your feet out. 3-point stance, then down. There you go. Blue, red, green, yellow. Abraham, Abraham. Get a little bit lower.